Hi, this is Pinkesh Shah, Chief Trainer at Adaptive Marketing. We're a boutique management consulting firm and an academy that focuses on productizing innovation. With our Asia operations starting last year out of Bangalore, India, we attempted to baseline all product managers and product marketing managers in India and released India's first annual PM/PMM survey at NASSCOM Product Conclave in November. It's time for the second annual survey. This time, our focus is to baseline and understand product managers, product marketing managers, business analysts, architects, engineering leaders, project managers, essentially all product professionals who are associated with innovating, building, and launching products in the marketplace. Last year, we had 400 plus professionals who participated in the research. I humbly request for your input and opinion by taking this survey. Now, I realize that taking survey is not the most exciting thing to do, but the community aggregate results, I promise, will be. It goes without saying that all of your responses will be treated anonymously and will be strictly kept confidential. Once again, thanks a lot for your input in advance and looking forward to interacting with you in the near future.